Welcome everybody to the University of London and Senate House. Senate House is famous for the University of London's libraries. But did you also know Senate House has unique event spaces? Come and join me and let's explore what we can offer you. Senate House is tucked away in the Bloomsbury area of central London and was built in 1933. But did you know that at that time, no building could be taller than St Paul's Cathedral? So Senate House, in fact, is 3 inches shorter than St Paul's Cathedral. What I'd like to show you today is what unique event spaces Senate House has to offer you and your guests. So come and join me on what I hope is a really unique and enjoyable experience. When you enter Senate House, the first thing you see is the central meeting point, which is Crush Hall. Absolutely elegant. Imagine coming down those staircases for a ball in your ball gown and tux. Just adds that little bit of finesse to your events. It's also, you may notice it from the big screen, the likes of Batman, Dark Knight Rises, Mr. Selfridge, and also Guinness adverts have all been filmed here. Recent BAFTA award-winning TV programs such as Killing Eve and also The Bodyguard were filmed here and to my left in Beveridge Hall. In fact, the scene from The Bodyguard that won a BAFTA was actually filmed right here where we are now. Just imagine your special event in Crush Hall, the canapé reception, the drinks reception, your wedding reception, and absorb the grandeur and glamour for any special occasion that will create a lifetime of memories and photo opportunities. Being in Crush Hall transports you to a different era, a different generation. You could simply be anywhere in the world, yet you're still in central London. Here we are now in Beveridge Hall, the largest flexible dynamic space within Senate House. You can hold exhibitions using the flat floor or bring up the sunken floor and hold your awards or graduation ceremonies. Indeed, every year in November, the university holds its annual Foundation Day in this room. We're now in Macmillan Hall. Combine Macmillan Hall with Crush Hall and Beveridge Hall, you've got some fantastic catering spaces for large and small events. Wherever you go in Senate House, there's always a story to be told. One in particular that I like is these robes here. These are Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, who was Chancellor of the University from 1955 to 1981. And her robes are on display outside the Chancellor's Hall. And these robes are quite stunning. They're spun with gold and they add a real dimension and story to your visit to Senate House. So here we are in Chancellor's Hall, one of my favourite halls within Senate House. You'll find the hall right beneath the main tower of the building and right above the cloisters where you enter the building. This room is perfect for events up to 200. And what's fascinating about this room, it has a listed cork floor. And you may recognise some of the architecture from Charles Holden. Have a look at St John's Wood Station and see if you can see the similarities. From conferences to meetings to banquets to formal occasions, Chancellor's Hall has the versatility to befit any event. This room is especially important to us at University of London venues as it holds the portrait of our current Chancellor, Her Royal Highness the Princess Royal. We're here now in the Senate Room, probably one of the University of London's most historically important rooms across the building. Adds that extra dimension to any event that you may not have thought to hold. Imagine being in a courtroom setting. Did you also know we have 4 secret panels? I challenge you to challenge your guests to find them. Here we are in the Jessel Room, a smaller, intimate venue, perfect for drinks receptions. Combine the Jessel Room with the courtroom and the Senate Room, and you've got an incredibly unique event space.